Hello Indonesia! We are super excited to announce the official opening of our new office in Jakarta. This is a huge milestone for us. By being right here, we are committed to bringing you closer to our world-class solution and empowering your business growth. To all our partners and future clients, let's innovate, win, and grow together.
Hi everyone. With our new office opening in Indonesia, we are bringing cutting-edge technology and integrated local technical support directly to your doorstep. My team and I are ready to help you solve complex technical challenges and tailor the best solution for your business needs. Your tech transformation starts right here, right now. Terima kasih, and we can't wait to work with you.